tập anh basa Thái cho mùi nâng channel Thailessonswiththart bà ngày nay dân về tập lập một chụp nè bính cho mùi nâng Rean thay mùi tiết bà chân là không nâng Rean ní là kêu nâng Rean tiệt tôn cho mùi nâng clear để dân pra xem tiệt tôn cho mùi nâng scam of hiệp về để dân tụm nề bà scam hiệp dân thưa về tụm nề ta dân thực sự tao thế là tao miền clear cái khả cái tí mũi cứ biết hà về là quang về là quang cứ mình này thập pe tụm nề chẳng pe tụm nề bây giờ thấy cái an tha về là quang pe tụm nề free time clear bên đóนิตยสารcứ mình này tha tô sana vào đây magazineดูภาพยนตร์เมื่อก่อนwatch movies อ่านหนังสืออ่านสือเผา read the book อ่านหนังสือนิยายอ่านหนังสือนิยายอ่านสือเผาประลามโลกread the novel ดูโทรทัศน์เมื่อตัว watch TV หรือก็ watch television อ่านหนังสือนิทานอ่านสิบเผานิเตียนread a tale ดูการ์ตูนเมื่อเรื่องกำนูชีวจรwatch a cartoon คุยกับเพื่อนจะเจ็ดเลงជាមួយមិត្តភក្តិ talk to a friend เล่นเกม play game เล่น Facebook get on Facebook ทักเพื่อน ท chat លេងជាមួយមិត្តភ័ក្តិ chat លេងជាមួយមិត្តភ័ក្តិ chat with friends chat with friend ร้องเพลงร้องเพลงច្រៀងច្រៀង sing a song sing a song ไปช้อปปิ้งไปช้อปปิ้งដើរផ្សារដើរផ្សារលក្ខណៈទៅទិញអីវ៉ាន់ទៅទិញអីអញ្ចឹងណាបាទអញ្ចឹងគេប្រើពាក្យថាไปช้อปปิ้งไปช้อปปิ้งដើរផ្សារទៅទិញអីវ៉ាន់ហ្នឹងភាសាអង់គ្លេស go shopping go shopping ไปคาราโอเกะไปคาราโอเกะទៅคาราโอเกะទៅคาราโอเกะ go to karaoke go to karaoke ออกกำลังกายออกกำลังกายหัดปราณหัดปราณ exercise exercise นอนนอนគេងគេង sleep sleep ทำการบ้านทำการบ้านធ្វើលំហាត់ធ្វើលំហាត់ឬក៏ធ្វើកិច្ចការផ្ទះ do homework do homework ช่วยงานแม่ช่วยงานแม่ជួយការងារម៉ែជួយការងារម៉ែ help do mom chore help do mom chore ขายของขายของលក់អីវ៉ាន់លក់អីវ៉ាន់ to sell to sell ไปเที่ยวไปเที่ยวទៅដើរលេងទៅដើរលេង go to travel go to travel ไปข้างนอกไปข้างนอกទៅខាងក្រៅទៅខាងក្រៅ go outside go outside ซักเสื้อผ้าซักเสื้อผ้าบោកខោអាវបោកខោអាវ wash clothes wash clothes วาดภาพวาดภาพกูรูปกูรูป to draw to draw ถ่ายภาพถ่ายภาพถอดรูปถอดรูป take a photo take a photo បាទចឹងថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំបាទមាន clear បាទ25 clear ហើយយើងនិយមប្រើចែកជូនបងប្អូនអ្នកដែលសិក្សាប្រចាំថ្ងៃបាទអរគុណច្រើនហើយបងប្អូនអ្នកទស្សនាថ្មីកុំភ្លេចចុចនៅពាក្យ subscribe ដើម្បីទទួលបាននៅមេថ្មីរាល់ពេលដែលខ្ញុំបង្ហោះទៅហើយសម្រាប់បងប្អូនអ្នកដែល subscribe ហើយកុំភ្លេច like និង share អរគុណច្រើនយើងនឹងជួបគ្នានៅក្នុងមេរៀនជាបន្តទៀតបាយបាយ